everyone, this is Kevin Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel. Today we are going to be unboxing another title that I actually bought a while ago. This is the Spy Family Code White movie. This is a Steelbook edition that is exclusive to Walmart. You have not seen Spy Family. This is a fun show, especially if you like things like The Incredibles, where, you know, he's a spy, she's a Russian assassin, she's a telekinetic little girl, and this dog can see the future. But none of them know that. Well, she knows everything, but like no one else knows. And it's got a lot of fun action and family dynamics. This is really adorable. So the movie came out last year, of course, because of the long window for Japanese anime films. It came to disc far later. The series, by the way, you can stream on Crunchyroll, and Crunchyroll has released this through an exclusive partnership with Walmart. Now, the case you can see, definitely very shiny. I do love that. It's got the Blu-ray and the DVD. I love when these things don't get put in perfectly the first time. You see on the side, it's appropriately a white case. Then you see on the back, The Spy Who Took a Family Vacation. Now, one thing about these that I've never quite understood with Crunchyroll, I don't know why they present the ratings this way. Like, they can't put the border around it and make it look like all the other ratings. I don't get it. There are bonus features, but only trailers. I mean, I'm sure this is a decently popular title. Probably not super big. Oh, he's a spy. That's what he is. Did I say spy earlier? I don't know. So anyway, let's open this and let's see what it looks like on the inside. And then you guys don't get to see this, but I get to watch it tonight. And yes, even though it's Blu-ray, it's still better than the quality that's streaming. So let's take this off. And let's take this off. Now let's see what's on the back. The back has the title. That's, I guess that's kind of nice. And oh, something I didn't notice, they have this nice little shine for the title on the front. That is really cool. And let's go inside, and we have the Blu-ray and the DVD. If it didn't look so awkward, I would sell the DVD because I'm gonna guess the content is the same on the both. I wish they would have differentiated it just a little bit, but I also understand the desire to make the labels white. So let's take this out, see what the artwork is behind, and that's okay. I mean, it's good artwork, don't get me wrong, but that's nothing too special. I thought that they would, put like one of the action sequences or something in the background. So that's a little disappointing. But again, the most important thing is the movie and what is on the disc, which, the movie is on the disc. I wish it was a 4K release, but it's not. Such is life sometimes. Now, I did enjoy this movie. I think there was a few moments where she has to go to the bathroom that I think was honestly kind of not great. I wish they hadn't spent so much time on that. But again, the action sequences were really good. It's a fun little side adventure, not essential viewing. Like, there's nothing in this happens that affects the TV show. And of course, if you have not been watching the TV show, it's not like this is a great introduction because everything is already established. I think the best introduction to the show is the first 3 episodes because it does such a good job of hooking you on the first few episodes. Very few shows do that. But I would like to know, do any of you have this Steelbook set from Walmart? What do you think of the movie? Is this a skip for you because it's not in 4K? It's not for me. I mean, if they release in 4K, probably end up getting it again. Like, they get me that way. But, would like to know what you think of this release, so you can comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and I'll see you at the movies. Take care, everyone.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters. and I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running, and of course is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to, it is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.